Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ng Philippine Star. Sabi dito, Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino is proposing an expedited impeachment trial for Vice President Sara Duterte that will run until June 30, 2025, saying it is possible to carry out a trial and render a verdict within 19 days. Senate urged to fast-track finish impeachment trial by June 30, 2025. So, pwede pala, matutuloy na ang bloodbath. So, ito ang inaabangan ng marami. Sabi nga ni Atty. Guanzon kanina sa post niya, ituloy ang bloodbath. O kung pwede hanggang June 30, why not? Mabasahin natin itong article ng Philippine Star. Pwede man pala eh. Kaysa yung resolution na i-dismiss kagad, wala na. Very boring ng ano. Basahin natin. Senator Francis Tolentino said, medyo may sumingit. Ito, Senator Francis Tolentino said, while the new expedited rules can immediately be adopted in open session and would not delay the proceedings, it would need the cooperation of both the House prosecutors and Vice President Sara Duterte's legal team. So ano ba itong bagong rules? New expedited rules. Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino is proposing an expedited impeachment trial for Vice President, saying it is possible to carry out a trial and render verdict within 19 days. Yan. Insisting that the impeachment trial cannot go beyond June 30 or when the 90th Congress lapses, Tolentino said the Senate has constitutional authority to adopt new rules or procedure that could fast-track the trial provided that Duterte's rights are preserved under the new rules. Sabi niya, that can really be done. Nothing will prevent the 19th Congress from adopting rules of procedure for an expedited impeachment trial that can be finished within 19 days starting June 11. So, in-interview ng DZBB si Tolentino kahapon. Okay. Under his proposed timeline, the impeachment court will convene on June 11 and issue summons on the same day. By June 21, Duterte would have already filed her reply to the articles of impeachment. By June 22, prosecutors must have already filed the reply to Duterte with the submission of trial briefs proceeding on June 23. In the morning, and the opening statements to be done in the afternoon. Talagang mabilisan. Proposed presentation of evidence for House prosecutors would then be on June 24, 25, while for the defense, June 25 to 26. Parang imposible ito. I'm sure magrereklamo ang mga House prosecutors kasi dihado sila yung 2 days lang. 2 days lang. If there would be a need for rebuttals, Tolentino said this would be done on June 27 in the morning for the prosecution and in the afternoon for the defense. On June 28, each party would be given an hour for oral arguments, followed by a closed-door meeting of senator judges on June 29. leading to a verdict on June 30. Wow! Ano ba yan? This has not been laid out yet. I am the chairman of the Committee on Rules. Kaya pala. And the impeachment complaint has not been referred to me yet. Tama yung sinasabi ni Senator-elect Tito Soto ng impeachment complaint, wala pa, hindi pa nakakarating sa Committee on Rules. Grabe, ano? I can perhaps mention the expedited impeachment trial. This is not a summary procedure, but we need the cooperation of the prosecution, sabi niya. Tolentino has a suggestion for hastening the impeachment trial. They should choose whether they think has the most sufficient evidence. That was what happened with the previous impeachment trial. In effect, you are withdrawing the 5 articles of impeachment so that you will be ready to speed up. You narrow down the issues and you focus on just 2 or 3 articles. That would be faster. So, mamili na yung ilan bang articles of impeachment? 7? Tanggal na sila. 1 o 2 na lang. Doon sila mag-focus, mag-present ng evidence. Saan sila mag-focus? Doon sa confidential funds? Ay, talo sila. The senator also stressed that even the vice president prescribed 10-day period for a reply could be narrowed down to 5 or 3 days, saying her lawyers have already been studying the articles of impeachment since they were transmitted to the Senate on February. So, ano sa tingin nyo? Una, papayag ba ang prosecution for this expedited trial? Sa tingin ko, hindi. Alkansi o dihado sila. How about ang kampo ni BP Sara? Dahil nakaready na sila, bloodbath, palagay ko, papayag ito. Nakaready na eh. Ito lang, ang prosecution lang, ang alanganin ako kung kakagatin nila itong hamon na ito. But sana matuloy. Kasi very boring naman kung outright madismiss ng dahil sa yung resolution ni Senator Bato, pirma ng 13 senators. Wala na. No more bloodbath. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Ang income natin sa channel na ito is para pantulong sa tribo, may livelihood assistance tayo sa kanila. Una, nagpatanim tayo ng sayote. Pangalawa, saging lakatan. Ngayon, bagong crop tanim. Magpapatanim tayo ng Arabica coffee. Kahapon, bumili na tayo ng seedlings. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Mo na ni ang kapihan sa among gipalitan o seedling nga kape. So, karon mauna ni siya ang kuan ang yang mga seedling og diri mi nagpalit tag 25 pesos ang kada isa ka punuan. So mauna ni siya ka daghanon. Daghan pa gyud kaayo. 5,000 pa ni daw ka buok.
Dala man tapak ato. Ay mo dala man tagi.
Paganan ay ang walo. Tapos peranan. Peranan dahil unsa. Apa na tapos ng Daniel. Oh. Smile. Puno na gyud ang bunggo sa among napalit nga seedling. O karon ato na gid sa amo O karon abot na gid ang among seedling kape. Muna ni ang sakyanan sa tag-iya og kape. So mo ni among gikargahan ang iyang bunggo. Isa na katawo ang tag-iya ani.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga makatanom ng pud mi kape og salamat po sa nagsuporta.
Sige, salamat.
Salamat.